Welcome, Stoneseekers. This is Umbrathene, the Foreshadow Orbital. Light is scarce in the land of shadows. The extreme darkness of Umbrathene can be disorienting and unsettling. Shadows seem to take on a life of their own. Ruling over these lands of Umbrathene are four major factions. Demons, manifesting powerful rituals while preying on the weak. Vampires, with their extravagant lifestyles and highly persuasive behaviors. Liches, raising the undead to serve in their vast legions. But the lowest of all are the Dusklighters. Excluded from the Council of Shadow, they are controlled by those above them. These citizens are biding their time to break free from their overlords. Join the ranks of powerful beings such as Teller, Vampirist Chief, or Garash the Dreadful. Revel in being given the power of greatness as you scheme for even greater heights. Becoming a greater evil not really your style? Well, the Dusklighters could always use more hands. Assassins and thief guilds are recruiting. So perhaps you're going to find your way working under figures like Baron the Unstable or Seraphina the Serpent Blackthorn. Don't be left in the dark when it comes to Umbrathene. Check out these card combos. Card combo number 1, Remains of Barnabas and Deconstruct. After playing Remains of Barnabas for free due to its cost, cast spells or wonders that cause you to sacrifice your wonders. Get free value by targeting Barnabas, allowing you to return him after the end of each round. Free card draw, destruction, and death strike. Cycle your eternal lich till the end of times. Card combo number 2, Hester Dust and Dealmaker Palladius. After denying your own cards to your abyss, get them back using wonders like Hester Dust. By targeting Dealmaker Palladius, you can get around this demon's ability and directly put him into the realm. Rejoice! All your conditional cards are now free from their shackles. Alright, Stoneseekers, that wraps up our trip around Umbrathene, the Foreshadows Orbital. May your adventures bring you treasures.